buy the Samsung Galaxy A52s instead of the Samsung Galaxy A53. Now, before you guys come swarming at me, just hear me out. What's up everyone, it's Mr. Fantastic here, and today I'm gonna tell you why you shouldn't buy the Galaxy A53. First of all, the Galaxy A53 is almost the exact same as the Galaxy A52s. We've got the exact same display, a 6.5-inch AMOLED with 120Hz of refresh rate. We have the exact same quad cameras with a 64-megapixel main camera with OIS. We even have the same RAM and internal storage configuration and even the same features. And even more than that, we have almost the same design. It's just a tad bit more refined with a curved camera bump and a flare frame. Now bear in mind that I have absolutely no problem with Samsung using the exact same parts as last year, since they were really good, and I've got no problem with that whatsoever, and it's really not a big deal. The real problem that I have is with the following things. Number one, there is no headphone jack on it. And I feel like it's the end of the headphone jacks on mid-range phones. It might not be a big deal for some people, but come on. Number two, you don't get a charger out of the box anymore. Yep, you've heard that right. A cable is all you're gonna get out of the box from now on. I still have no idea how the heck they're gonna save the environment by doing this. I'm legit mad at this. But it gets even worse because number 3, Samsung is using the Exynos 1280 chipset in it, and comparing it to the Snapdragon 778G, which is in the Galaxy A52s, it outperforms the Exynos in CPU performance as well as gaming performance, which is absolutely outrageous. Like, that is so ridiculous, and it really makes it a deal breaker. Like, seriously, the only improvement is in its battery. You get a 500 mAh more battery and a year more of software updates, maybe 2, but I'm not really sure about that. And yeah, that is literally it. I'm honestly so disappointed by Samsung. I expected more from them. So yeah, I really don't recommend getting the Galaxy A53. Buy the Galaxy A52s instead and save some money. And if you don't care about 5G, then you may as well go with the regular Galaxy A52, because then you're gonna save a whole 100 bucks. Feel free to drop your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Drop a like on this video and subscribe for more videos just like this one. And I'll catch you guys later. And up until then, be fantastic.